post. So it's actually a very simple URL post. It gets the data out of it, creates the connection, and it inserts the data into the database. And then it responds and saying, yeah, I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
So really very, very straightforward on that front.
Okay.
And there are of course just like some information in terms of like configuration of the database password, that kind of stuff. And on the other side, you know, when it the post-it thing that is on the database or on the benchmarking machine itself has to have some fields. Like there's basically, again, a very simple post-it script. It takes this stream ID, bench ID, and result, and it basically, you know, in the URL basically says, here's the stream, here's the bench ID, and here's the result that I'm trying to put into the database. Post results, I'm just looking, and the script itself we can look at. It really just uses wget to post it directly across to the machine. Mm-hmm. As you can see, right? Like stream ID, bench ID, and time.
Oh, okay.
So very, very simple, but works. Let's see, continuing looking through there. Right. Post results, jobs can run the best. Okay, so these are like the benchmarks jobs that run, and Udom has a pretty good feel for those, I think, so he could explain those. The graph generation is done by this chart gen. Again, a very simple Node program, probably a little bit longer than we can do in terms of going through it, but it ends up using, what is it? Generate chart, create page. I forget what it's called again, but basically it's a package that, you know, it pretends to be a browser, builds the chart, and then takes a snapshot of it.
Ah, so that's why Phantom.js, eh? Because it's probably
exactly, yes. There you go.
Yeah.
So it uses Phantom.js. Today I would use Puppet instead, but because Puppet's a newer version, but that basically uses Phantom.js. I have thought over the years that like maybe we should make something more sophisticated or different, so you get live charts or whatever. But again, just never had time to think much more about that.
I'm surprised that I mean there should be like an image generation package for Node.js, you know, like Image Magic or something like that. Should almost certainly have bindings, you know.
Yeah. Well, Image Magic, I don't know. Is Image Magic got something where you say, here, plot this for me?
No. I think that's the crux of the matter, is that you need not only like the ability to render to an image, you also need like the primitives for graphing, right? So
right.
But on the other hand, as far as I know, Phantom.js doesn't itself have that. You still need to run like a web charting package that knows how to render to DOM.
Exactly. It uses chart.js and chartscatter.js.
Yeah, okay, that's
which basically very easily says, generate me, you know, using Phantom.js, generate me the chart, snapshot it, and then there you go, right?
You know, I wonder if GNUplot has any NPM bindings or Node bindings, because GNUplot is pretty good with that.
So I
anyway,
it's that there isn't something better, but this is some simple scripting. So we require cache result, require new, and then this publish result line, which you see for all of them, is basically using that post-it script to just say, for this stream, for this benchmark, here's the result that I want to post the value for.
So what exactly is the stream ID?
So the stream ID is tied to so you'll see that it's defined here up at the beginning. So we have one of these jobs for each stream of nodes. So this is stream ID 9. If we go over back to here, and we go back to stream IDs, which are documented in there, I can see, and I know it's 12, but stream ID is 12.
Ah, okay. So and they map to like different versions of Node.
Yeah, that's version 12.
Oh yeah, there it is. there it is.
So
Yeah,
when,
sorry, my screen is kind of small because I'm calling on the phone, so I actually
yeah.
have to scroll to see it.
So when Node 12 came out,
Wow.
Udemy added 9,
Ah,
right?
okay.
And then we basically just cloned the existing job. Like there was a job that ran once a day for 10. So